What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you a very cool method that I haven't really shown before on this channel. This is one of those old school methods that is going to be useful to you regardless of how you implement it. So there's going to be a lot of ways to implement this method, and I'm going to show you the way you can implement it with MaxBounty CPA marketing. So this is going to be a very unique method. We haven't really talked about this method before, and so stay tuned. You're going to enjoy, you're going to learn a lot of new things. Now, before we get inside the presentation, I just want to let you know that if you like CPA marketing, if you like affiliate marketing, if you like any kinds of make money online tactics and methods, then this channel is for you. On this channel, we have daily videos where we explore different ways of making money online. Sometimes it's affiliate marketing, sometimes it's CPA MaxBounty, CPA marketing, other times it's just, tactics, different ways of making money. And so you're going to learn something. We have daily videos. Every single day you're going to learn a new method. All right, guys, so make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, like this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions or anything you want to add. Having said that, let's get into the presentation. And so when it comes to MaxBounty, there's a lot of offers, a lot of ways to make money with CPA marketing. And from what I've seen with the comments on the videos, a lot of people aren't really exploring all the ways that you can make money. So as an example, a lot of people look at surveys, sweepstakes, lead gen, and those definitely have their place. But I want to show you another method that is very powerful that I'm sure many of you don't even know. So if you go into business to business and we click apply search options, you have a bunch of business offers. And the offer that I really like, there are actually a couple of offers that I really like. I like 99 Designs and I like BigCommerce. And this is just as an example. There's probably a lot of other offers. We're going to get into some of the other offers later in the video. But what I want to bring to your attention is this BigCommerce offer. Now, if you open this offer in another tab here, BigCommerce is actually a competitor to Shopify, okay? This is a place where you go out, you launch your online store. It's a competitor. If you haven't heard about Shopify, Shopify is basically a platform where you can basically build an online store. It's used by drop shippers. It's used by people who have their own, in-house inventory, e-commerce, things like that. So it says here, build your online store with BigCommerce, customize your site, manage shipping and payments, and list your products on Amazon, eBay, and Facebook with the #1 e-commerce platform. Try it free, no credit card required. And so you always want to read this because this is very powerful. This first paragraph is basically it's a little copy for the visitor. It's not for you, it's for the visitor. The second one is for you, right? Converts when an item is ordered through a store setup, standard plus, pro plans, or an enterprise level customer requests a free demo. Accepts traffic from Australia, Canada, the UK, and the United States. And so they have a lot of plans here, right? This is account subscribes after free trial. We're getting 80% sale. And what I really like about this offer is that this is a business to business offer. This is one of those classical offers that you go out and you pitch to businesses, and I'm going to show you a way that you can pitch. Now, the way we're going to be running this offer is we're going to find stores that are already running with Shopify. We're going to find existing businesses that have Shopify stores that are alive, stores that actually, that the owner hasn't abandoned them, stores that are actually working. And we are going to pitch to them and see if they're interested in actually going to BigCommerce, okay? This is very cool. And so the way you find existing Shopify stores, this is a very cool method, is you basically go on the site called myip.ms and you basically type this IP address and you do who's lookup, okay? And this IP address corresponds to Shopify because everybody who starts a Shopify store, they're going to have a myshopify.com domain. And regardless what the actual domain is, they're going to be hosted on this IP address. So once you type this IP address, you want to basically go and you want to click on here, other sites on this IP, okay? And you're going to find all the Shopify stores that are basically hosted on Shopify, right? All the stores that are hosted on Shopify. And as you can see, you have a whole list here, right? These are all Shopify. Obviously, this is Shopify's own domain name. And then you have world site popular ranking. So you also see a ranking, right? So if they have a decent ranking, you can make a judgment that this store actually exists, that it's alive, that it's actually nobody has abandoned it. So you can basically view all records. We're going to click on that. And we're going to have a list of all Shopify stores. Basically, you can even sort it here by world site popular ranking. And you're going to see basically a rank in terms of world. So obviously the number one is myshopify.com, which is Shopify itself. And then the second one is this colorpop.com. And you can actually visit. These are all, Gymshark is a very popular supplement company. And what you want to do is you want to pick a store, right? And probably you don't want to pick, you can even start with a big store. You can start with a mid-sized store, and there's a lot of stores, a lot of ideas. And you can basically get a domain name. So for instance, let's say we want to go to the 5th page or something like that. We don't want to start with very, very heavy stores. And you want to go, let's say this store right here, KDO store. And you can basically select it and copy it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to a tool called hunter.io. This is a really, really great tool. And what this tool allows you to do, it basically allows you to get the contact information for any domain out there. Okay, so you can basically paste this domain name and see it has already 2 results. We're going to click on this and we're going to get emails, right? And these are live emails. You see it says here, verify, contact, and save. You can email both of them, right? This one obviously has 8 sources. And it's actually, and obviously you can go to the store name itself, but that takes time, right? And sometimes they have a redesign. It's very hard to get their contact information. But this site is very, very smart. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy this email. We are going to go to one of our new Gmail accounts, right? You want to create a brand new Gmail account because you don't want it to kind of mix up, you know, to make a mess with one of your existing accounts, okay? And this is going to be an account where we're going to pitch them to switch over to BigCommerce. So what you want to do is you want to click on, you want to create compose. You want to type this one. You can also send them to the other account. You can basically go here and we have support. We have SAB. You can do both. But in my opinion, this has 8 sources. This has 1 source. So I really think, obviously this one, you can do both if you want. And you can say something like, try out world's #1 e-commerce platform. Okay, and this could be something like this. Hey there. And you can, and sometimes they even give you the name of the person. So in this case, most common pattern, they don't really tell you the name, right? So we have SAF. SAF could be the name. If you want to personalize it even more, you can go to the domain, you can go to the actual site and see what the contact is, right? But we want to automate things. We want to make things a lot faster, right? And this is why this tool is amazing. And you can use this tool for all kinds of purposes. A lot of times I pitch different deals, I contact competitors, I contact suppliers, I try to get, basically I try to get contact information for people that are going to be useful into my business. So I would say something like, hey, I see that you're running a... Now, before we're actually going to send an email, you do not want to send the affiliate link directly. You want to make it nice, you want to do something with it. And what I recommend is just using a simple shortener, right? You can use Bitly, you can use Rebrandly. The thing about it is that a lot of people are using Bitly right now, so I would recommend something different, something unique, something that not a lot of people are using. So in my opinion, I would just do something like with Rebrandly. And so I'm going to go into Rebrandly, we're going to shorten the affiliate link and we're going to paste it. And when you are creating the short URL, you have an option to basically pick another domain. You have a branded domain, you have a register new domain. If you want an advanced method, you can actually register domain, something about e-commerce, and that's going to make it look a lot more credible because it's going to make it seem that you're actually, you're in this area, you're in this niche. And so this is for my advanced people. You can register a new domain. And for this tag, you can even put something like BigCommerce. And so basically I went ahead and created the short link. And this is fairly customized, right? We have Rebrandly BigCommerce 2020, and they're gonna think that this is some kind of an offer. And this is kind of what you wanna do. You can use this, you can basically do something like this. And so now you have the link. This is an offer, use this link to get a special offer that gives you a free, 14-day trial or whatever the offer is, right? Whatever the offer is, you can basically do that. And this is called the pitch. And you can basically say something like, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions. Now, the email you're going to be sending from, you want to make it at least resembling an actual human being. You know, you don't want to create like a random email, because that's gonna seem very, very spammy. And that's what you're gonna be doing. You're basically gonna be contacting them using this special tool that's amazing. So for instance, let's go to another domain. If I'm scrolling around, let's say I find this one, for instance, burga.com. I don't know what the store is about, but I can basically enter it here. And let's see, and there we have 3 results right away. We have collab, we have hello, we have info. So I would do support. You can enter all of them, right? This is 3 sources, 8 sources. And there you have it. You have all the emails that you could get. This is an amazing tool. You can also bulk. You can even do a bulk, meaning like you can basically get a bunch of domains, like 50 domains, and you can basically get all the contact information for all of those 50 domains, and you're gonna contact them. Now, some people are gonna be interested, some people won't be. That's just part of the game. But regardless, you're gonna get a nice commission if people are gonna sign up, because you have 4 landing pages, 3 months free, BigCommerce, build your online store, scale your business. And the other variation you want to think about is that here I have a very simple email. You can try another angle. You can basically search for problems with Shopify and basically email different types of problems, right? So if you find a blog article, because every platform has its disadvantages. They have their advantages and disadvantages, and you should be focusing on the disadvantages, which are the pain points. And you can basically look at different disadvantages and basically send out emails with different disadvantages using this tool and using this other website that's very, very popular called myip.ms to find competitors. And at this website, it's not only for Shopify. You can basically find all kinds of information, all kinds of potential leads, and then you can basically go to a tool like Hunter.io and get their contact information and use another Gmail account, okay? Now, let me show you a couple of other offers that this is gonna work with. Primarily, this works better with business-to-business offers, right? You're gonna be pitching to people. You're gonna be pitching to people that already have a website, right? Obviously, if you wanna pitch to people that don't have a website, that's another method. And this is something I'm gonna talk about in future videos. If you wanna see a future video about that, then leave a comment below, smash the like button. I'm gonna make a similar video for B2C, which is business to consumer. This is business to business. Another really great offer is this 99 designs. Basically, this is a logo contest launch. And what you wanna do is you basically wanna scour the internet. You wanna basically go on the internet and basically look at people trying, that are like typing something like trying 99 designs, or I'm planning to try 99 designs. And these are gonna be, people that have blogs, and you can basically find them and say, hey, I heard you're looking to try 99 designs. Check out this offer that you can do. So you can look all kinds of angles. Another thing that you can do is you can find professionals, dentists, doctors in your area, professionals, and say, hey, I noticed that you have a cool website, but you should check out this other site, 99 Designs. It's a very, very powerful site, and you can get a logo or like a graphic design done from professionals. They're actually gonna bid on your design, and you can do this. And you can use this tool again, this Hunter.io, to basically find their email information, and you can pitch these offers. These offers are fantastic. This offer is great because look at this regular account, and we're getting 80% of the sale. 192, 720 enterprise sale. So this is a high ticket item kind of offer that is going to work really, really well for this kind of pitching method. And so this is 100% free method. You don't have to pay. You don't have to do this. And then you can basically kind of look around MaxBounty, and you're going to find a lot of these kind of offers. But the one I will be focusing on is this BigCommerce. Another one is 99 Designs, but I would start with BigCommerce. You also have business banking. This is like a little bit of an advanced topic. Again, this is also B2B. You also have business credit score, Cabbage small business loans. All of these, except this personal loans, all these 5 offers you can run them. You can pitch to them using this method. Another thing that you can do is you can basically clear this. And the thing about MaxBounty is that offers are all over the place. And you can type business and see what kind of offers pop up, because they're all over the place and it's kind of hard to find the right offers. So look at this one. This is 99 Design, small business loans. I'm not sure I've seen that. Square payment processing, this is another business offer. I don't understand why I didn't see that before. Fiverr is another offer. These are all business offers. Hewlett Packard, okay, that's an interesting. Business financing, honest loans, business account banking. All of these are business kind of offers, small business, B2B. So all of these, you can basically run them using the method that I'm teaching you, right? Business is really about pitching. You have to kind of pitch, and this is a free method. This is for people that don't want to spend money on ads. They want to get started. They want to hit the ground running right away and see how things work. All right, guys. So this is all I wanted to talk about in this video. If you enjoy this method, and this is a method I've never talked about before, so I was a little nervous if I want to actually talk about this in this video. I wasn't really sure that how you guys are going to accept this method. But if you did enjoy it, I have a lot of other ideas, and I'm going to be talking about a lot of different ways of kind of using this with other offers, with personal offers, because I believe, everybody wants to kind of automate things. They just want to run ads on Facebook, Bing. Everybody's talking about that. But nobody's talking about some of these other lesser known methods, right? Some of these unknown methods that I wanted to talk about today. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this, leave a comment below. Smash the like button to letting me know that you enjoy these kinds of old school kind of, door-to-door methods. The old school is the best school. Just so you know, old school is the best school. Old school always works regardless of what's happening out there, on the internet. All right, so once again, thank you so much for watching it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video.